Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another Dollar Tree / travel video for you today. I am getting ready to leave to go on vacation. I am headed to Universal Studios to ride the new Harry Potter roller coaster. I'm super excited, and so I'm putting together a busy bag for my daughter for the plane ride. This is something that I do basically every single time I travel with her. It's really fun for me to kind of explore new ideas and get little activities together. She's 2.5, so keeping her entertained while we travel is super important. And I've done videos like this in the past, and they have typically had a Disney theme to them. I'll link below some of the different videos I've done, but we travel all the time, so I definitely have some experience here and some tips to share. And most of the stuff here is from the Dollar Tree. That's my favorite place to shop for stuff like this. It's so cost effective and I can get a lot of bang for my buck. There are a couple items here that are not going to be from the Dollar Tree, but I'll make sure and let you know. Like I said, it is a trip to Universal and Harry Potter World, so there is a heavy Universal Studios theme here. It's really fun to get creative and have a theme when I'm putting this together. And the first thing that I picked up was this backpack. How darling is this? It's a little Hedwig backpack. It's the perfect size for my daughter. Like I said, she's 2.5. This is small enough that it's not going to overwhelm her, but big enough that it holds a ton of stuff. Specifically, I wanted it large enough to hold standard size coloring books. I'll put a link to this below. I got it on Amazon, and this is not affiliated, but I had a hard time finding sort of an affordable kids Harry Potter backpack, but this one was under $20, so a good price point and really sturdy, really nice quality. Really happy with it. There's this little like compartment here that comes undone. And this is going to be the perfect spot for some snacks. That's what I'm going to store in there for her. And then in the bulk of the backpack, I've already kind of packed it up with all our stuff, and I will show you what I've got. So like I said, I wanted to be able to fit coloring books in here, and I have a ton. So when I'm looking for coloring books, aside from just the typical stuff, I look for things that have an activity to them. So a good example is this Minions coloring book. This came from the Dollar Tree, and it has this little mask here that pops out, and then inside you also get stickers. You get this like sheet of stickers in the middle. So it's one item for $1, but there's different elements to it. And for toddlers, for little kids, sort of exploration books are really good. She's going to be able to take this apart, discover the different elements to it. So you're going to get a lot of mileage for your $1 there. And then of course you've got the coloring books. And so I've got a bunch of examples of this. So I got sort of a Minions one at the Dollar Tree, and actually this is great because on the back it even tells you that it retails for $4.99, but I got it for $1. And I got a Jurassic Park one. Again, I went for the Universal Studios theme, and this is a tracing book. I got this Spongebob book. It also has the stickers inside. We are big into stickers, and stickers are a great activity for planes. It's sort of a contained activity. It's not gonna, you're not gonna have a lot of pieces that roll everywhere, right? But still fun and interactive. I got a couple more of these activity books. So here's a Minions one, again with stickers. Again, this one says $4.99 on the back. I have a bunch of different books because here's a good tip. If you're traveling, pack the busy bag with half the stuff and reserve the other half. Pack it in your suitcase, because when you come home on your return leg, you're going to want more stuff to entertain your child, right? And then I also got just a couple regular coloring books. I got Avengers and Trolls. I tried to pick characters that she kind of knows and likes. I picked up a dry erase board, and this is a tip I've talked about before. This is great for airplane travel because it's small, but you can use it over and over and over. It's not like you're gonna need sheets and sheets of paper, right? She can draw something and then we can erase it and she can draw it again. And I love the dry erase marker that comes with it. You get a little eraser here. Oh, and look, it even has chalk. So the other side is a chalkboard. How perfect is that? So there's a lot of different ways you can do arts and crafts, but it's really contained. I picked up some play packs. If you have a toddler, you're probably already familiar with these. I love these little grab and go play packs. I got a Spongebob, a Spider-Man, and a Jurassic Park. Each of these is just $1, and what's perfect about them is it's one little kit. It's small, but inside you get a bunch of different stuff. So you get a little coloring book. We've got some crayons and some stickers. I love these for travel, not just for the busy bag, but I also like them for when we go out to eat. If they need to be entertained, this is so small you can fit it in your purse, but then this is a great thing to hand them at the table. And like I mentioned, my daughter loves stickers, and I found some great stickers at the Dollar Tree. These are Avengers. What I like about them is they're these puffy stickers that are really easy to peel. If I have just a sheet of traditional stickers, it's a little hard for her to peel herself. She's 2.5. She can do it, but it's a little tricky. Sometimes she needs my assistance. But puffy stickers, she can absolutely peel apart by herself. So whenever I find these at the Dollar Tree, I always buy them for busy bags. And then to go with it, I got just like a little pad of paper. It's also Avengers. These are great together. She can put the stickers on the paper. You can also draw on the paper, obviously. And then I got another sticker book. This is one of the items that did not come from Dollar Tree. This is a Harry Potter book of stickers. I have never found Harry Potter stickers before, so I was happy to find them. You get 195 stickers. I got this at Target, and I think I paid, does it say? No. Oh yeah, it does, $3.99. So it's, you know, it's not $1, but I was really happy to get the Harry Potter ones. This was, like I said, at Target, and I found this in the greeting card section. Really cute. This is another one of the items that did not come from the Dollar Tree. I've talked about these items before. They're the Imagine ink toys. So it's one of these little art pads with these pictures on it, and you get this marker, and the marker colors, and the color shows up, but the marker is not going to mark anything else up. It is such a perfect travel toy, especially for little ones who are still working on their lettering and their coloring. This makes it really easy for them to color, and you can pop the marker right back in. There's a slot for it, so you're not going to lose it. This is great for travel. This came from Target. I've been seeing these recently at the Dollar Tree though. I've talked about that before on my channel. When you find these at the Dollar Tree, snap them up because they're usually $3, $4, $5, $6 elsewhere. So I absolutely love including that in a busy bag. And then I got a couple more of these like kits of art activities. I got a Spongebob one and Transformers, and these both are kind of the same idea. They're called pop-outs. My daughter has just recently gotten into these, and they are really great craft activities for little kids. So you get these like cardboard sheets with the characters that they can color, and there's markers and stickers in here as well. They color it, they put the stickers on, and then the images pop out and come with these little stands. So they actually become 3D little art scenes. And again, this is small, contained. It's a perfect little activity for a plane, and it lasts a long time. I mean, she can color these in for quite a while. So you get a lot of different materials for just $1 in each kit. Some nice markers too. I have one more little activity book here. This I really liked at the Dollar Tree. It's a book, but a coloring book, if that makes sense. So it's actually a story, but you color it in. And once you've done that, you've got a book to read, which is really cute. And then again, you've got the stickers. So it's sort of a 3-in-1 activity, a great bang for your dollar from the Dollar Tree. And then I have so many activity books and coloring books. I picked up some coloring items. I got some little glitter crayons. These are really cute. Crayola. I like when you can find name brand stuff at the Dollar Tree. And she's never had glitter crayons before, so that will be kind of fun. And then I thought this was just perfect. I got this box of mini colored pencils. It's the perfect size for toddlers. I like the idea of a colored pencil because she's not going to be able to really mark things up with this. And you get 8. That's really cute. It's just a perfect size for travel. And then I couldn't help myself. I got these little sets of Minions markers. Again, they're Crayola. I got 2. And they're mini markers. So again, great for travel, great for little hands, and it doesn't hurt that it's Minions brand. So I'm going to pop all that stuff in the backpack. In addition, I'm going to add, we travel with an iPad, and I picked up this like little toddler iPad case. It's a foam item. I wish I had it. I should have brought it up to show you guys. But again, I've got links below to my past travel busy bag videos. I've included that in past videos. So basically, it's this little case that lets her hold the iPad so she doesn't have to touch the screen and accidentally turn off what she's watching. That's great. It's always great to get some toddler headphones so they can watch a movie and not bug somebody else. And again, like I said, I'm going to put the snacks in there. I think all of these items together, she's going to totally stay entertained. And like I said, I'm going to bring backups so that I can refresh the backpack for our return trip. These items definitely help me out, but let me know in the comments if you have any tips to add. I always want to hear new ideas from you mamas on how to keep her entertained on those long flights. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it so I know to make more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you can see future videos. I've got a ton of travel stuff coming up, as well as vlogs that I'm going to be doing from my trip to Universal. I can't wait to get videos of Harry Potter world and the new Harry Potter ride. I will see you guys next time. Bye.